Hey guys, welcome back to the Gears and Tool channel, and today I'm going to be taking a look at Leatherman's pocket clip accessory and how it works with the Leatherman Wave, Leatherman Surge, and Leatherman Charge series multi-tools. So first, let's take a look at the actual pocket clip itself. On the back, we have kind of a locking key design. One side is kind of a straight leg, and the other side is a notched leg that will lock into the release mechanism on the multi-tool, which I'll show you shortly. And on the front side, we just kind of have a flat piece of bent sheet metal, and it's a pretty good design actually. I especially like how kind of abrupt this bend down here is. It really catches on pant pockets and stuff like that to make sure your tool doesn't fall out during regular use. So let's go ahead and take a look at how you actually install this pocket clip onto the multi-tool itself. On the back of the multi-tool, you'll see that one of the four corners has a slot in it. This slot is so you can install the pocket clip accessory or the lanyard loop accessory. To install it, you simply line up the pocket clip with the slot, push down on the unlock lever, and slide the clip all the way down. To check to make sure it's locked securely in place, wiggle it side to side. If it's not in there correctly, it will pop right back out. Now there's a couple things I really like about this pocket clip design for the Leatherman multi-tools. The first is it's a very deep carry pocket clip. So taking this dish rag, for example, you can see how deeply that multi-tool is going to carry in your pocket or in your tool pouch or something like that. So I do like that. It's not just sticking out the top a bunch like this, making it kind of awkward to carry. It's a very deep carry and secure pocket clip design. So very good job there. The other thing I really like about this pocket clip design is the location of it doesn't provide a hot spot when you're using the multi-tool. For example, when you're using the pliers as a right-handed person, it's on the side that's nearest your fingertips and not on the inside of your hand where it'd be digging into the palm of your hand during heavy use. So it's a good placement for when you're using pliers. The same can be said when you're using the primary blade on the Leatherman. The pocket clip is on the side of the tool that's on the fingertips and not digging into the meat of your hand. So very good placement designed by Leatherman. Installation on the Leatherman Surge is the same as it is on the Leatherman Wave. You find a slot on the back of the tool and you just slip it right in. I am going to say that the Leatherman Surge is a pretty big tool to be using a pocket clip with, but it definitely can be done, especially if you're using heavier pants like Carhartts or something like that. I personally like to use a pocket clip on the Leatherman Surge when I'm keeping it in the side of my tool bag to make sure it doesn't inadvertently fall out. Another thing this pocket clip does really well is it doesn't loosen up over time. As you can see, this pocket clip still sits snugly against the multi-tool. It's a really good steel. They made it thick enough, and it's a pretty good spring-like steel that has a high memory. Other steels on pocket knives, they loosen up over time. This one doesn't seem to have that problem. So I've had this particular pocket clip for a couple years, and again, as you can see, it's still sitting snugly against the body of the tool. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button below. It helps the channel out a lot. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first to be notified when I release new videos just like this one. Also, in the video description below, you'll find a link to my Amazon store where you can find recommended products and a list to all my YouTube gear I use to make every video. Cheers!